My name is Kat, and I'm the children's librarian here at the Tewksbury Public Library. Thank you for joining us for our craft today. We're going to be making 3D paper snowmen. For today's craft, you need a piece of blue paper for the background, 4 large white circles and 1 small white circle, some scraps of black and brown, glue, and scissors. The first thing we want to do is take our white circles and fold them in half. Just like that. We're going to repeat this with the other ones, so we have 4 identical white papers folded up like a taco. Now we're going to put glue on one side of one of them, and this is going to be our snowman's body, so we'll decide where we want him and glue it right down to the paper. Now we're going to take another one, make sure that it's the side that lines up. We're going to put glue on this side, and we're going to glue that down to our first piece, just like that. It's like a book page. We're going to repeat that again with our next piece. Just line that up and push it flat. And again with our last piece. All right, now we're going to put glue on this end and unfold our paper. That should look just like this. And now we have a 3D snowman body. So we're going to take our other yellow, white circle here and glue that right on top. And that will be our snowman's face. Take some black paper, and I am going to cut kind of a T shape with a thick middle. Like that. That's going to be his hat. Let's glue that down. And we'll take our brown and we can cut out some arms there. It's pretty straight at one end, and then it kind of opens up and we can cut out little fingers so it looks kind of like a tree branch. It doesn't have to be perfect because trees don't grow perfectly. Go. And we're gonna see those arms are pretty long. I'm gonna make these a little bit shorter and we'll glue them down. There we go. There we go. Now all we have to do is add a face. To draw our face, we just need 2 crayons. I have a gray and an orange. Let's start with the orange, and we're going to draw a nice triangle for his carrot nose. And then we'll take our gray and make 2 eyes and some more dots for his smile. And we're all set. We have our 3D snowman. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you had fun. Don't forget to sign your name to your paper. You can follow us here on YouTube for lots of other arts and crafts videos, or follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Tewksbury LIB. Have a wonderful day.